putting out my red mustard greens so they can get a little bit of hardening up too. They are doing so well. So I'm giving them an opportunity like I did my zucchini and my cucumbers yesterday. So I have that pan of them, and then I have this one over here. So they are looking so good. So I'm trying to keep up with them. And then I have these ones over here. Now this one right here look like it's going to need some extra loving care. But these two over here, I just have to water them. But they look amazing. Amazing. So let's go check out and see what else we can get. Oh no. Oh no, he did not. OMG. Oh no. Oh no. He better not. He had better not have messed with my bulbs. He got nerve to be running up there by that tree. Oh, that squirrel. Oh, let me just take a moment and catch my breath, because I might have to go to jail over a squirrel today. Because this squirrel and me, I'm about done with him. Broke Farmer, how you fry up a squirrel? What you gotta do first? Hit me up, man, and tell me how we gonna take Rocky out. I might have to just put him in a frying pan. Soon as I catch him, do I need to roll him around in some cornmeal, or do I need to flour him with an egg batter? What do I need to do? Come on, you guys. I know some of you guys gonna eat some squirrel out there. Come on, help your girl out. Because if I catch this bad boy, I'm going to suck on them bones as if it was the best chicken I've ever eaten in my whole entire life. Oh my gosh. Look what he did. Look. And I mean, are we ever going to see these black lilies? Because evidently Rocky does not want us to see those lilies. Look, he dug up this one and he dug up this one. Oh, you know what? I'm going to need a drink after this, because I am fit to be tied. This squirrel right here. Let's see if he messed up the other one. Now this one, he's good, because that lily right there is still doing good. So I was coming out here anyway to sprinkle some of this this red pepper flakes around these pots right here. But you know what? Rocky must have sensed it, because he was out here way before me. That is one sneaky squirrel. So we're going to just put some of these red pepper flakes here, down here, and see if this will work. If not, I'm going to have to come up with a better plan. Because this squirrel and me, we have been going round and round since I put these lilies in these pots. Oh, this just makes me so frustrated. Dig this one back in here. And look, and this bulb is so ready to give us our black lily. Look at that. It's so ready. It's doing its hardest. So we're going to tuck that one in. And look at this. This one, it's ready too. And we got to dig it down deeper. Let's go deep with this one. Get down there. I'm trying to help you. We all here in the cellars on the YouTube family here, trying to help us out in Renee's garden. So let's sprinkle some extra pepper on this one. Maybe he will leave this area alone. He don't even mess with the other bowls. It's just this one. Guess he has a refined palate that don't do tulip bowls. He just does the lilies. Well, we're going to shake some pepper flakes on this, and maybe he will leave it alone. Better put some more on the other side too, just in case. Me and this squirrel. I just don't know what to say. I'm just so beside myself. Because this girl right here, he is trying Miss Renee. You hear me? He is trying me. So hopefully that will do it, because he's only messing with these two. Let's go look in this wheelbarrow. I seen him jumping out of there. Let's see what his little... Oh. And I put 4 bulbs in this one. Oh my gosh, this squirrel. Oh. Dig this one in. Put some of that stuff on this one. Leave that alone. He didn't mess with the other ones. Okay. Let's shake some pepper on this one too. That is the worst thing, that you come out here and you work so hard to beautify your garden. And I knew that I was going to have to deal with, you know, some animals. But this one, he is on a mission to make sure that these lilies do not come up. But that's all right, because we're going to see this lily. We're going to see this lily. If y'all got any suggestions on, other than cooking up Rocky, how to deter a squirrel, I might have to set a trap for his behind. I have to hit up Lead Farmer and see, because he has a raccoon, not a raccoon, but a squirrel trap he calls their Eradicator. Maybe he said he got it on Amazon. So I might have to take a look at Amazon and see how much that squirrel Eradicator costs. Because this is getting so old. So old. Okay, take a deep breath, Renee. Take a deep breath and look at something beautiful in your garden. Pick out something beautiful in your garden. Okay. Whew. Look at these tulips. They're about to bloom for you. And you already have some beautiful daffodils that are already blooming over here. So just look at your daffodils. Forget about Rocky and just focus on the beauty in your garden. All right, I feel a little bit better. Oh, my daylilies are coming up. Okay, beautiful yellow daffodils. All right, you guys, I'm trying to calm my nerves because that squirrel has worked my nerves today. Worked my nerves. All right. All right. I just wanted to bring this video so I have some eyewitnesses in case I need you guys to come to my rescue in the court of law when they ask me, Miss Renee, why did you harm this squirrel? And all you guys can say, because he kept digging up things in Miss Renee's garden. All right, that's our story, and we are sticking with it, okay? All right, you guys, thank you for talking me off the ledge. All right, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I'm going to go finish feeding my red mustard greens. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. That bad squirrel. Oh, that squirrel.